Okay guys, so what's up guys, this is TechBook Pro here, and today I got another unboxing for you. This is for the Canon BG-E8 battery grip. This is for the Canon T3i, and I will be unboxing it and showing you how to install it and all that cool stuff. So first off, let's get into opening this. Okay, so here we are on the top of the box. I just want to go around it. Here we are on the front with just the battery grip picture. Here goes some wording, as well as on the back some serial codes and barcodes as well. And you know, it's just a very simple and plain box. Now this box it's like a lot smaller than I expected. I thought it would be a little bit bigger when I received it, but it's actually kind of small. So let's get into it. Just open that up. Okay, so first off, we have this little tray, and this is the tray that holds the two LPE8 or BG-E8 batteries. There's that. Here's just like a little instructional guide on how to use it. This is European warranty, not United States. Here we go. This is the US warranty, and I believe it's 1 year. So you get a 1-year warranty on this. And here we go with the battery grip. Okay, so here is the battery grip. It is very nice. It is very sturdy, and so I'll show you how to install this right now. Okay, so here we are with the battery grip. It is really nice. If we open this up on the side, we have another little carrier tray, and this one is actually for 6 AA batteries that you could install in here instead if you didn't want to use the LPE8 batteries. So this one you could always use, but a camera could go through the AA batteries so fast, you know it's going to be a waste of money. So that's why this one would probably be a lot better. Go ahead and install this one. Okay. When we go around the battery grip, we have on the very bottom another tripod mount. So because you do screw this into the tripod mount of your camera, you get another one from there. You also have an on-off switch, just kind of hard to push. You have one of these, and these are just like the Canons on the T3i. So if I bring that in, it's just like right here. So you have the same things right there. You have a wrist strap thing there. I don't have a wrist strap. I don't think I'll use it. You also have a little wheel thing right here, so you could change your ISO, aperture, exposure, all that. And you also have a shutter release right there. So here you go. You just take that off and install it. So I'll go ahead and show you how to install this battery grip into the Canon T3i. Okay, so here we are with all the things I need. I have my T3i right here, the battery grip, and I also did purchase an extra battery. This is a PhotoWiv battery pack. This is the LPE8 17 milliamp hours, so this one will be nice. These have really good reviews on Amazon, and that's why I chose it. Otherwise, I would have gone for the official Canon batteries. So what you need to do first is take out the battery that you have in there, put that off to the side, and I'll just show you how to install it. Okay, so I have figured out how to take the battery door off. You would need to do this to install the battery grip. So what you do is you go inside there, and you see, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a little tab there and a little tab there, and you just yank it off like that, and you could take the battery grip, the door off like that. And so what you want to do is don't lose this, And so what Canon has done is they have dedicated a small little area right here, and that's where it indicates where you can keep your battery door. So you just follow the model, and it just goes in like that. It sits flush right in there, and you don't lose it. It's a nice convenient way where you don't lose the door, because if you lose it and you take this off, your camera won't work. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to just take the battery grip, put it in just like a battery, and lock it in using this little wheel here. And it's in just now, make it nice and tight, and there you go. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to install both of the batteries, and let's see. Okay, it's always nice that these come with a little battery cover, just so that it doesn't short out or anything. Let's see, I always have trouble getting these off. Oops. Jeez. Okay, there we go. So this is the PhotoWave battery pack for the LPE8. Here's the Canon one. Same size, I mean, it has to be. But what we're going to do now is we're going to take out a little compartment and add in the batteries. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and slide it right on in there, lock it up. Open that and start to take pictures. I'm going to erase that. But here are a few reasons why I did choose to get the battery grip. One, this camera wasn't heavy enough for me. I like to have a nice heavy camera, and so this really helps that out. Also, I hate charging my batteries, and so by doing this, it really helps me, because then if I do forget to charge my batteries, I know I'm going to have a little bit of extra juice. I'm going to have a full-on review on this later on, so please stay tuned for that. That is all for right now. Thank you, and have a nice day.